Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna do, not a real video, but I'm just gonna show you guys the free kit that I just put out. So the link will be in the description. You can download it for free. It's just got, so the 808s are like distorted, like hard 808s. There's no like regular type. They're all distorted in some way. The claps and the hi-hats and the snares are kind of basic. They're not basic, but like they're just generic, you know what I mean? I didn't focus too much on these, and the kicks are just like hard hitting 808s. So I mean, the kit is free. What more do you want? So I'm just gonna play some of the 808s. You guys can hear it. Alright, so some of these 808s I use a lot, and they're like some of my favorite 808s, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I use these 808s a lot. This is just basically like a kind of a modded Zaytoven 808. I just threw it in there because, you know, like it hits a little bit harder than the regular Zaytoven 808. So I use this one for like Playboi Carti type beats, etc. Here are the kicks. I mean, they all have the same like hard wood sound. I mean, that's what I was going for in this kit. And then this way, you know, I don't have to, if I make a kit and I give it out for free, I don't have to like get too diverse with my sounds. And then I can just make the sounds I want to make instead of, you know, making sure, you know, people are getting the bang for their buck. You know what I mean? Just some hard snares. This is probably my favorite one. Go to. Like, it's just a generic Southside type snare. That and that layered sounds good. Pierre clap. Metro clap. Anyways, download the kit. You can see, let me know what sounds you like. There's like, I use these 808s a lot, and I've been sending it out to people on the Discord, and they've been saying, you know, they really like some of these 808s. So let me know what sounds you guys like. Thank you for watching.